Join me as I take on the challenge of navigating the UK real estate market as a foreigner and see if I can make a successful investment happen. The UK real estate market has gained immense popularity amongst international investors in recent years, and it's easy to see why. UK offers a stable economy, a high demand for housing, and a relatively straightforward investment process. But is it really possible for foreigners to invest in UK real estate? In this video, we'll dive into the world of UK property investment and explore the opportunities and challenges that come with it. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing in the UK real estate as a foreigner is that it's only for the ultra-rich or large corporations. But the truth is, anyone can invest in UK property, regardless of their nationality or financial background. However, there are some legal hurdles that foreigners need to be aware of. For instance, some types of property may be subject to certain restrictions or require special permits. Additionally, financing options may be limited for international investors, and interest rates may be higher than what you're used to in your own country. Another common challenge that foreigners face when investing in UK real estate is the language barrier. Understanding local laws, regulations, and cultural nuances can be difficult, especially if you're not familiar with the UK market. Moreover, finding the right property at the right price can be a daunting task, especially if you're not physically present in the country. And let's not forget about taxes. Foreign investors may be subject to different tax rates or additional fees which can eat into their profits. Financing is another major hurdle that foreign investors need to overcome. While some UK banks may offer mortgages to international investors, the terms and conditions may not be as favourable as those offered to local residents. And if you're planning to invest through a limited company, you may need to provide additional documentation or meet specific requirements. But don't worry, there are ways to navigate these challenges, and we'll explore them in more detail later. Many foreigners are also worried about the UK's complex tax system, which can be overwhelming, especially for non-resident investors. However, with the right guidance and tax planning, it's possible to minimise your tax liability and maximise your returns. So while there are certain challenges to investing in UK real estate as a foreigner, it's not impossible. In fact, with the right knowledge and resources, it can be a highly rewarding investment strategy. So what are the options available to foreign investors who want to tap into the UK real estate market? Well, there are several types of properties to choose from, including flats, houses, and commercial properties, amongst others. You can invest directly through a real estate investment trust or via a property fund. Each option has its pros and cons, and the right choice will depend on your individual circumstances, investment goals, and risk appetite. Financing options are also varied, ranging from traditional mortgages to more innovative funding models. For instance, you can use online platforms that connect investors with developers or opt for peer-to-peer funding. And if you're not comfortable with direct property investment, you can consider investing in real estate-related businesses such as property management companies or construction firms. Moreover, the UK government has introduced several initiatives to attract foreign investment, including Tier 1 Investor Visa Programme. The programme offers a fast-track residence permit to investors who meet certain criteria, such as investing at least £2 million in UK businesses. And if you're planning to invest in property development, you may be eligible for government-backed funding schemes or tax initiatives. Let me share with you a personal success story of a foreign investor who successfully navigated the UK real estate market. Meet Sarah, a Canadian investor who fell in love with the UK property market. Sarah started by doing her research, understanding the local laws and regulations, and building a network of contacts in the industry. She then invested in a rental property in London, which generated a steady income stream. But Sarah didn't stop there. She also diversified her portfolio by investing in a property development project in Manchester. Through her journey, Sarah learned the importance of tax planning, due diligence, and working with local experts.